I heard you race the L Mountain race at Timberline. I thought you don't race anything that involves climbing?
Yeah. I had race I usually no race anything except DH, but Jason sponsored me his scratch, so I figured what the hell. I knew I was going to get killed, but was good fun.
I saw you guys went Cheesecake Factory the night before.
Yeah. Quiche come so we could eat there. All Quiche like do is go Zippies. Can eat that kind food on Kauai. Lose money him. Lucky we went early cause after 6:30 the line just to wait to be seated was more long than the line for my autograph session.
So how was race day?
We went Fogo grabbed the bikes at the storage and Jason's code and work so he couldn't open the gate. One other guy had tried his code and the work too. I was thinking there goes our practice session. Then one guy had pull up and enter his code and had work like his house, so we went in. Then Jason had try his code in the elevator and the work, so we was stuck downstairs. I was thinking lose money this. We was going have to be spectators.
So did you guys get the bikes?
Yeah. The place had opened at 9, but lucky one of the workers had show up early in his Datsun Fairlady Z. He told us that sometimes power surges caused that kind problems. I think he knew the Timberline champ was in the house, so he better show up early.
Did you have to set up Jason's scratch?
You know that. I had to put more rebound in the fork and shock cause I like my rebound really slow. His steering wheel was more wide than one school bus, but I no could do anything about that. Was kind of low-rise too, and the levers were pointed down, so it was like I was digging for gold. I moved the levers up and was good to go.
How was the race?
We showed up a little bit late and I only got one practice run in. The race was one run you done, so I just played it safe. The top section was loose and technical. Some guys was eating shit up there. The climbs was brutal for me and I know I lost a lot of time there. I tried to pin the DH sections but still rode cautious cause I'd like crash. The final climb was pretty brutal. I was buzz up after my run. I went in the opposite direction in one section of the course. Lucky had guys to flag me back in the right direction. Ron C had give us chance and took a wrong turn. He ended up dropping into the ravine and had to push his way back out.
I saw the video clips you posted on YouTube. The commentary was funny. Ron C was imitating the guys who announced the World Cup races.
Yeah, that was funny. We had one megaphone too. He was like, "Look at how fast he's going. Look at the time. It's unbelievable." Those guys always say the same shit when they announce the World Cup races. Once Fish got a hold of the bullhorn, it was all over.
I heard Maria beat your time on a hardtail.
Yeah. She must have been pinning him on the climbs cause I think I was doing okay on the DH sections. She beat my time by almost 10 seconds.
I should have raced my Santa Cruz Juliana too then. I probably would have spanked you.
Maybe. But I like see you keep up with me when the course is pointed all downhill and you gotta have 30-foot doubles, ladder gaps, and road gaps. I excel at Red Bull Rampage kind stuff that would break you Juliana in half.
Yeah, right. Whatevers. If you was the real Timberline champ, you would win everything like Jason Sessoms.
I guess you're right. The buggerfly and him and Jason and Wright always making fun of my tricks. One day I going put that track on the top step of the podium again like Aaron Gwynn.
Yeah, keep practicing. How was the flight back?
I almost make my flight back cause Jason was taking all kind detours and stuff to avoid traffic on the freeway. Then we went Big City Diner and they had forget to put in our order, I think. Took forever. We left there at about 7:15 and my flight was at 8 o'clock.
Did you make your flight?
Yeah, the airport was empty and the flight was delayed, so I was lucky.
Cool. I think I might buy Scott's Essex Trail cause his riding career is over. Then I can go free riding with you. I'll be sure to ask him for all his riding gear too because they are all women specific.
Oh, that's right. I think the bugger power right already. He say he not, but he is. The bugger in denial. He ain't ride with us in months.
Normal characteristics.